What is up YouTube? This is Mayank Sharma from Virtual Trading, and market it worked exactly as we predicted yesterday, right? So we'll get into that in just a bit, and in this video I will make you understand the importance of risk and reward ratios. This video is going to be laced with a lot of learning, and I'll even show you my small account gains and my big account gains. Okay, so that before we go into this, do you remember yesterday I said that Nifty will be trendy and Bank Nifty will not be that trendy. Bank Nifty can give momentum towards day end, but Nifty will give us momentum from day itself, right? And if you see today what did markets do, let's have a look. This is your Nifty. Yesterday itself I told you that today will be a very trendy day, and this is what you had. You had a very trendy day, right? So this is how you have to work in market. You have to understand all these little nuances, then only you can make big money, huge money, right? So we'll get into this in a bit, and without any further ado, let's see what we did with our mentees. What is the view for tomorrow, right? So let's have a look here. So what did I say yesterday? Trendy day tomorrow, trending day tomorrow, right? Expecting a huge move. This everything was given to you one day in advance. When was this posted? 10:31 p.m. Okay, right? And where did markets open? Exactly near to about our algorithmic level, and we had a huge rally. Right? And let's see what we did with the mentees. Hital sir also told our mentees to go long in Bank Nifty, and this was the move, the 100 point move we were able to capture as per our plan, as per our trading plan. And do you see the reaction at this level of 17,882? This level was also given to you one day in advance, and this is created by respected markets today. Now, do you understand the power of algorithmic level, the power of understanding what markets will do one day in advance, right? No order blocks, nothing is used in this trades particularly. We do know how to use it. We do teach it a different way of it, right? But did we use this one day in prior, right? No. So this is the kind of information that is available to our royal mentees. So let's have a look. This is the trade that our royal mentee took. He took a 1:9 risk reward trade in forex. In which time frame? In just 1 minute time frame. 1:9 RR. And do you see the momentum, the precision, where he put the entry? As soon as he put the entry, damn, markets just crashed. So this is how you make big bucks in markets. And yeah, then I told you that I will make you understand the importance of risk to reward ratio. Now this is the most important part of today's video, more important than even the levels for tomorrow. Yes, because this will give you constant earning for a very long time. And understanding the risk to reward ratio. Fine, let's have a look. I as promised, I will post big account profit loss too, but first have a look at what I mean by risk reward supremacy, right? So for everyone who says that you need big capital to make money in the markets, no, you don't. You don't need big capital to make money in the markets. You don't need flashy screens, multiple screen, multiple desktop, anything. Right? All you need is a set of skills which will make you consistently profitable, teach you how to catch bottoms and tops consistently and make good money in markets. Right? So let's have a look here. And what did I say here? And let's have a look what was the gains here. 4,743, right? Have a look here. This is the M stock. This is the M stock. I am just trying this out. I have some some issues with this broker because it doesn't have cumulative profit loss statement. We cannot get there. So that is something that I am finding very dicey over here. So I cannot transfer my big funds into this as of now. So I will stick to with small, for small account I will use this account, and for big accounts I will stick to my Kotak securities as of now. So first have a look. That is not what I was talking to over. Let's have a look at my, this is my loose positions. These are my winning positions. Okay. So max SL taken here is 225 rupees. If you see my entire portfolio, my overall profit and loss, right? My overall profit and loss. What was my large loss? What was my largest loss? What was my biggest loss? Rupees 225. And what was my smallest profit? My smallest profit was approximately 480 rupees. Yes, 480 rupees is my smallest profit. Now let's have a look. What is my next SL? Next SL of 150 rupees. 225 rupees, 150 rupees are my loss. What is my targets? What is my winning positions? 480 rupees, 948 rupees, 1635 rupees, 2057 rupees. This is what I mean by risk to reward supremacy. My total loss, if you just add up my losses, they are like 377 rupees. And if you add up my wins, this is like 4743 rupees. Yes, 4743 rupees. On an average, this is the risk reward of 1 is to 13 risk reward. 1 is to 13 risk reward, right? So let's have a look at what is the worst case accuracy for you, like at any point possible, at any point of time. 50% is the worst case scenario possible accuracy, because even if you toss a coin, you will get the odds of 50-50. So let's say that I have a accuracy of 50%. Yes, and as you have seen, my accuracy is more than 80 to 85% as you must have already seen by now. But let's see here, 50%. Okay, let's have this match. Out of the 50 trades, I win 50 trades. Okay, and I lose. Sorry, out of these 100 trades, I lose 50 trades. I win 50 trades. Perfect. When I am winning, what was my risk to reward? 1 is to 13, right? 1 is to 13. Perfect. So not even 13, let's take 1 is to 10 into 10. When I am winning, I am winning 500. Okay, 500. When I am losing, I am losing 50 into 1 is equal to 50. So net I am in the game of gains of 450R, right? 450R, and this is over a period of 100 trades, just 100 trades. And if you even take 3 trades per day, you will just need 1.5 months 1.5 months to complete your 100 trades and be able to make 450R. Nothing dramatic. Like, you all have seen me doing this from a very long time, consistently, day in and day out, and all of our mentees are able to do this as well. And all our mentees are able to do this as well. So this was what I was about to teach you, right? The importance of risk to reward ratio, right? This was what I wanted to teach you. And this was a small account that for testing purposes I started with 10k rupees, and I punched my trades in front of our mentee. The first trade I punched in there was in front of my mentee, right? With just 10,000 rupees this account was started, and today it is sitting approximately at, like, tomorrow I will update it, but approximately 18,000. 18,000. No, give me one moment. 12. Yes, 18 to 19,000. This account was started with just 10,000 rupees, and now it is approximately double the value. Now it is approximately double the value, right? So this was my small account, and now let me give you the update before I show you the big account gains. And I will show you not the photo but the video for it. So the trollers can calm down and apply some burnol on their, crude acids. Just give me one moment. This was the update. What was the updated figure? 6,700 rupees. When I show you again, what are my winning positions again? See here, 2,000 rupees, 1,300 rupees, 1,635 rupees, and 2,083 rupees. Yes, and what were my losses? 225 rupees, 150 rupees, 15 rupees. So you can check my risk to reward over here, right? You can check the risk to reward we have over here. Perfect. Hmm? Now I also gave you a Hero Zero, right? HCL Tech Hero Zero, I gave you around 9 rupees. It made a high of 11.3 rupees. 1,610 rupees gain, right? And the lot size was of 70 to 700. So, like, you can see what was the amount you needed. You need approximately 6,300 rupees to make this 1,500 rupees. So this is 25% return on investment, right? Banks, everyone, etc., gives you 5% maximum on your FDs, RDs, etc. This is the only skill which will give you returns like this, right? The account, the account of 10,000 now stands at approximately 18 to 19,000 within a span of 10 days. Right? So this is the skill that will help you to make consistent and big money in markets. You just need to have skills. You don't need big capital. You don't need fancy screens, etc. What do you need? You need just a proper level of skills. Now some people make fun of my stuttering, but this is a medical condition that I have. I cannot do anything of that. Even if I speak in Hindi, right, I will have this. So if this troubles you so much, then I apologize for it, but this cannot be helped. I cannot do anything for that, right? And for all our supporters, like, I am very humbled and thankful for all of you. So now let's have a look at the big accounts again, right? Where is the my big account gain? Fine. So this is the video I recorded. Like, yesterday I gave you the gains of 1,30,000. Today what is the gain we have? Today we have approximately the gain of 1,10,000, and this is the running. Like, if you see, this is not a screenshot. This cannot be fabricated. This is a video which is being refreshed again and again, right? So this is for the people who were worried about our trading capability. So this is what you have, right? This is what we do on a consistent daily basis. On a consistently daily basis. So before now we have showed you everything. So this is the Royal Mentees. This is the Royal Mentees review for the today's session. You can have a look at that. to gain access to all of these things, you can just join our free Telegram community. In this community, we give you free trades, free views. We we give you bottom hunting and top selling trades. So kindly join this, and this will benefit you in your live market as well. So now let's have a look at the level for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, the algorithmic level of 17,011 becomes important. Below the level of 17,911, we can test the target of 17,847 and 17,798. I am not seeing market very much below this. Okay, so below the level of 17,911, we may test the targets of 17,847 and 17,798. But if markets are able to sustain above this level, if markets if markets at any point of time sustains above the level of if markets at any point of time sustains above the level of 17,911, then we can test the targets of 17,957, 18,011, 18,011, 18,085. And if markets are able to sustain in this region after along, you say, 107 p.m., this is the timing for tomorrow, 1:07 p.m., then we will see the targets of 18,126 and even a bit higher. But yeah, 18,186 will be my ultimate target for tomorrow. This will be my ultimate target for tomorrow. I am not in Bank Nifty today because I am not well. I just took the royal session, and you can say by my voice pace, not feeling quite well. So and Bank Nifty I am not seeing to be trendy. So that is why I am ignoring Bank Nifty totally. I am seeing Nifty to be trendy for tomorrow. Expiry Nifty to be trendy. So that's why we are only seeing this. So if this is the skill, if this is the skill that you want to, okay. So if this is the skill that you want to learn, if this is the skill that you want to learn, then you can join our community, and we'll see you started. We'll see that you are started on your way to consistent profits and profitability, right? So with this adieu, I'll see you in the markets tomorrow. I wish you a very good night, and I'll just have my medicine and go to sleep. So if you have any doubts regarding our mentorship programs, then you can find this channel, join this channel, and you can even contact us via this, right? You can just click here and you will open my contacts. You can just DM us on our Instagram. All the related all the important links are in the description below. Kindly check that out, and we'll see you in the live markets tomorrow. For be tuned for tomorrow's hero zero expiry hero zeros. And if you know us, our expiry hero zeros are always blast, right? If you see our expiry hero zeros, capital more than 16x, 12 rupees put went to 200 rupees, right? This was the day before yesterday, day before previous expiry. And the previous expiry we made a high of from 7 to 21 rupees, 300% ROI. So if you want to